How to turn off autoplay in YouTube in PC. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off autoplay in YouTube in PC. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into my channel and just find a random video to play. It doesn't have to be your own videos, of course. It is exactly the same process if it's not your own video, but for this tutorial, I will choose this one right here. And now, when I'm on the video, I simply need to click right here. As you can see, the autoplay is now off. But if I want to turn it back on again, I just need to click here once again. What happens now is that when a video ends, YouTube will not keep playing more and more videos for you automatically. It will just end the video and nothing happens after that. So this is how to turn off autoplay in YouTube on your PC. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video. Comment if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.